Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Exponent.
What does the dictionary say?
A symbol or number placed above and after another symbol or number to denote the power to which the latter is to be raised.
Math rap.
Sometimes called index or power, there are no complications. An exponent tells you how many times to use a number in multiplication. Say you have 3 to the exponent 2 in mind. You multiply 3 twice to give you 9.
Math rap.
Explain exponents in your own words. If opponents now play on your team, does that make them exponents? When the math teacher wrote this on the board, why was the letter A so happy? A to the exponent 5 plus 2 equals 3. Because the teacher gave the A a high five. Solve A in the above equation. Did you solve it? You're not the only one. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!